Stakeholder alignment is crucial when Lucid's operations teams are rolling out new strategic initiatives. With so many people involved across the business, it can be hard to ensure everyone gets the information they need in real time, in a way that's easy to understand. So we use Lucid to create process maps, timelines, Gantt charts, and other documentation that keep our operations running smoothly. Here are a couple examples of what that looks like. We use Lucidschart to outline and define our sales efforts, allowing us to visualize where personnel and customers are dispersed across specific regions. This single source of truth helps us identify areas where we might need to fill gaps, add new personnel, or shift teams to cover new areas. We can even add data linking to connect diagrams to a data source, and any changes in the data source will lead to real-time automatic updates in the Lucidchart. With this visualization, our ops teams are able to quickly identify coverage needs and work with sales leaders to optimize opportunities for continued growth. Using Lucidspark, ops teams can visualize very complex timelines and dependencies around annual planning initiatives. With a templated Gantt chart available to everyone in Lucidspark, our ops teams are able to look at timelines from a high level. This view helps us determine critical cross-functional dependencies between work streams like sales coverage, org design, compensation, budget, and quota capacity, allowing us to execute effectively in each stage of our planning cycle. Having this alignment, teams can then use Lucidspark to ideate in real time on the specifics within each of their individual work streams. With visual documentation that's easy to follow and updates in real time, Lucid makes it simple for operations teams to roll out new initiatives. We can brainstorm solutions for improving existing processes, document timelines and dependencies, and align cross-functional teams on the most up-to-date information.